Well, howdy everybody. As you can see here, I just got a delivery from Sweetwater Sound. So let's open this thing up and see what's inside of here. Well, we sure know what it is. Okay. This way. Let's go over. Okay, Epiphone. So if you watched my video a few weeks ago on my Strat, I showed a picture of an Epiphone Les Paul Classic that I canceled the order on because it keeps getting delayed. And with China going into lockdown again, these are made in China, I was just concerned that I might not get one and the things that are in stock were going away. So I ordered an in-stock Les Paul Standard, and it's got a case to it. So let's open this up and see what's in this. And there she is. That is the one I ordered right there. Passed Sweetwater's 55-point inspection, ready to play. So I got this from Sweetwater Instruments. 55-point inspection, everything is checked off here. And there's what I've been looking at in pictures for a long time. Okay, so differences. I'll be doing a full video on this here in the near future, but this is Epiphone Les Paul Standard, and I had ordered the Classic, which I canceled and got this. The differences are that on the Standard, the pickups are a different style. These are ProBuckers, and you can see that they're covered pickups. The Classic had open pickups. These do not have push-pull pots. They just have the tone knobs and no coil splitting. So those are the primary differences, and this has a flame maple top, and this is a nice one, and so it was $100 more. I think it's worth it. So let's plug it in. Oh, let's look at the case here. What's in this case? What do we got here? Tag, key to the lock on the case, and looks like some stickers. Okay, so let's get an amp out and see what this thing sounds like. Okay, so this is how it came. I'm running through my Positive Grid Spark just on a clean tone, no extra things. And let's just see. Okay, so treble. Okay, and rhythm. Okay, so I think we need to tune it. Give it a tune. Where's my phone go? And I'm going to tune to open E. Okay. Okay, like I say, I don't know many things. Just what I've been making up here, so let's go through some of that stuff. Okay, well, it's definitely different than the Strat. Oh, middle's noisy. Okay, so first of all, again, first impressions, I love it. It's much heavier than the Strat. It feels very good. Neck, I think, feels almost identical to the Strat. I think both of them said they're a narrow C. shaped neck. This sounds totally different on the pickups. So it feels different. Everything's down here is different than the Strat feel. So I'll be playing around with this and getting used to it, and we'll take a look at it in a future video. So anyway, this is my new toy. Thanks for watching. See ya.